Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, and other principal officers of the university, deans of faculties and directors of units, distinguished professors and members of the university senate, academic and professional colleagues, distinguished invited guests and friends of the university, great Nigerian students, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am Professor Mrs. Ezeani, and to present the topic titled Artificial Intelligence and Future of Technical, Vocational Education and Training (TVET) for Economic Development in Nigeria, a paradigm shift. This topic is being fashioned into subheadings, and we have to explore looking at the subheadings. Concept of education. Education is the bedrock of growth and economic development of any nation. A nation without education is just like an individual taking tea without sugar, or individual taking pap without milk or sugar. So education is the life wire of any nation. Therefore, nations should try as much as possible to embrace education. Technical, vocational education and training (TVET) is aspect of general education that involves skill acquisition disciplines in the area of agriculture, science education, business education, entrepreneurship education, among others. The following are the objectives of TVET. TVET provides technical knowledge and skills needed for agricultural, commercial, and development. With these skills possessed in the area of agriculture, an individual will engage in farming activities, keeping of poultry, rearing of animals, among others. TVET imparts skills to individuals for self-reliance. This is the main objective of TVET program: to train individuals for them to possess skills, competencies, values, attitudes needed in the society for them to be able to be self-employed or self-reliance. TVET provides manpower in technology crafts and technical levels. You can see in the area of technical or trade and industrial education, individuals could engage in upholstery, building or making. Upholstery in the sense that they have acquired the reasonable skills. So also in the area of electrical electronics and building, individuals these days are engaging in building activities. We have branches of TVET. Branches of TVET, as we know, include the following: agricultural science education, business education, entrepreneurship education, music education, fine and applied arts, home economic education, trade and industrial education. Now to the main business of what we have today, the overview of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence includes robots, computer-aided machines that can perform various activities. In the olden days, individuals perform certain tasks manually, but with the aid of artificial intelligence these days, different works could be performed via AI. do people see artificial intelligence? You in particular, how do you see artificial intelligence? Then I can as well ask myself the same question. How do I see artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence are technologies that accomplish human tasks. It also solve human problems. Human intelligence versus machine intelligence, memory flow. A simulation or approximation of human intelligence in machines. Simulation here means a situation whereby AI tries to imitate human intelligence in performing certain duties. Here we have the diagram here that shows different aspects of AI. We have brain. Brain here represents human brain that AI mimics or imitates in performing certain duties. The next one is working or main memory. Here, with the aid of AI, information is being stored in flash disks, hard disk drive, solid state drive. Information is being kept here. We have also short-term memory. This is for temporary storage. Example, RAM access memory, cache. We have also long-term memory or cloud storage. Example, we have to we do at times store information in the cloud. Or we can use Google, we can use Dropbox. Features of artificial intelligence, of course. For artificial intelligence to perform all these functions, it has some features that enable it to do that. We have facial recognition. With this feature, AI identifies individuals based on their facial features. We have data injection. AI, using this feature, can collect, impart, and process information. We have quantum computing. AI, using this feature, can process information, large volume of information or quantum of information directly, no matter the size of the information, in a twinkle of an eye. Deep learning here is an aspect of machine learning that uses neural networks in image and speech recognition. Ultimate task feature. With this, AI can use this feature to perform specific tasks. For example, you can use it to book appointments, can use it to retrieve important information. Now, cloud computing, which involves scalability. Here, customer can scale down storage capacity. Chatbots uses natural language in interpreting and understanding human language. These are the features and what they can do with artificial intelligence. Types of AI. We have different types of AI. Starting from narrow or weak or specific AI, which is designed for specific tasks or domain voice or autonomous vehicle, e.g. self-driving vehicle. With these features, a self-driving vehicle can be moving about using AI features. General AI or strong or human level AI is designed to replicate human intelligence in one way or the other, no matter the task. It performs any intellectual task that human being can do. Any task, name it, a human being can perform. With the aid of all these features, AI can do it, even more better at times than human. We have machine learning. Data here imitates human learning. Deep learning imitates the way human gains certain types of knowledge in discharging a particular duty. We have also soft skills within an environment like ChatGTP, using natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue, include articles, social media posts, essays, codes, and email. That's the work of artificial intelligence. Robotics can combine AI with engineering skills to perform designs, construct, operate robots that can perform tasks automatically. In a twinkle an eye, a robot can design and show the picture or the image of what it has done. We have neural networks, which aids in image recognition, medical diagnosis. Have also natural language processing, chatbots. It focuses on enabling computer to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Can generate language between China and Nigeria, between Ghana and the United States of America. Expert systems. AI system designed to emulate decision making with the aid of these features. It decides using human abilities in some specific domain, such as medical and finance. Genetic algorithms. That means that from patients' data, AI can analyze medical records or reports and predict some diseases and recommend personalized treatment for the patient via patient's records or data. We are in a modern age, technological age, where AI can do and undo. Grammarly assists with grammar, punctuation, full stop, style, and tone of language. Canva, and with this Canva, an individual can design, such as background. You can remove background, you can replace it, you can design suggestions or automated layouts with Canva, but you have to be skillful in this area for you to be able to utilize it. We have hot suits, social management tools. Uses AI to schedule posts, analyze social media performance, and suggest optimal times. That's the function of hot suits. We have ChatGPT by OpenAI. With this, it assists individuals in brainstorming, writing, answering questions. For example, there was a time I was working on certain concepts. I utilized the services of ChatGPT by OpenAI. As I'm doing it, as I'm doing it gradually, I'm learning day in, day out. So with all these things, you can brainstorm with AI. Google Analytics provide insights into website traffic. Application of artificial intelligence in various areas of TVET or in academia. We have agricultural science education. Students of this program can utilize personalized learning in such as for using it for quiz, for assignments, or for tutorial. AI also allows students to explore virtual farms, interact with 3D models of crops and livestock, and visualize complex agricultural processes. Exposes students in different areas of agriculture, different skills in agriculture. With AI can assist students to develop essential skills in data analysis, problem solving, and technology integration. Area of business. Curriculum enhancement equips students with knowledge of AI principles, application, and implication for business. AI teaches students how to collect, manage, and analyze data using AI tools. Entrepreneurial opportunities. AI exposes students to different aspects of entrepreneurial skills and knowledge to pursue entrepreneurial ventures or incorporate it into existing businesses. Market research. AI power tools can gather and analyze market data from various sources. Have entrepreneurship education. Introducing students to AI tools and platforms that can aid business decision making, such as AI-driven market research tools, chatbots for customer service, and predictive analytic platforms. A guest lecturer or workshop will be organized for experts and invite experts and entrepreneurs who have successfully implemented AI in their businesses to share their views and experiences with students. Find and apply arts. AI tools can assist artists or students in generating ideas as it concerns find and apply arts, creating digital artwork. AI can enable artists or students to experiment with new media or style that is in vogue in the society. Of course, find and apply arts are involved majorly the skill of creativity. AI itself can be viewed as a creative tool capable of generating artworks autonomously. Home economics education. AI can provide guidance on food safety and practices like proper storage and cooking temperature. For example, assuming one wants to prepare ogusi soup, having done the preparation, do not add vegetables on it. If you want it to taste longer, not to sour, just store it with the aid of AI. Maybe much later, when you use it, you add vegetable on it. AI can help manage household budgets by analyzing spending patterns. AI can as well suggest ways of minimizing food waste. Have music education. AI provides personalized music lessons tailored to individuals, students, learning styles, abilities, and preferences. With AI can assist students in learning musical instruments, theories, and as well, it can assist students in composing music by generating melodies and harmonies. Trade and industrial education. Hands-on learning offers practical experience through projects and labs where students can apply AI techniques. Cutting edge explores students in the area of machine language, machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. It also exposes students to other technology disciplines such as computer science, engineering, and data science, among others. We have challenges of AI tools in TVET. Misconception that educators are anti-technology. In these modern days of a technological era, individuals believe that images of robots are taking over our jobs. True or false? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Access to AI tools and resources. Inequitable access to AI tools and resources for all students. Some of these universities are lacking behind concerning AI tools and other usage. Training and professional development are required from educators from time to time to effectively integrate AI into their teaching practices. AI system can lead to unfair outcomes and perpetuating stereotypes. A situation whereby students acquire numerous skills in AI, whereas lecturers or their teachers or educators do not have any skill at all. You can see there is an element of stereotype. The teacher will not become comfortable in what? Dishing out the information or teaching and learning situation. Economic implication of tools in TVET. You see, complex tasks are now simplified. Research collaboration. AI assists in research collaboration. If you are into any research, just acquire the skill. You'll be able to scale through no matter the research content on the topic. You'll be able to scale through as far as you acquire the necessary skills of AI. Generate online activities and development. Simulations. Here, AI tries to mimic the intelligence of human to perform certain functions. AI has break the traditional barriers of employment for use. It can engage the services of AI in cooking. AI nowadays can assist in cooking. We have features of artificial intelligence in TVET. The following are features of artificial intelligence. AI uses multiple technologies that equip machines to sense, comprehend. Machine can now comprehend, plan, act, and learn with human-like levels of intelligence. AI system, passive environment, recognizes objects. That's why AI will assess an individual through his or her facial features. Contributes to decision making. AI do contribute in decision making, solve complex problems, learn from past experiences and imitation patterns. I will have to elaborate more on AI learn from past experiences. For example, I was dealing with a particular concept. Then I've stayed up to maybe 45 minutes trying and putting up and brainstorming with AI. At a certain level, I say let me test the intelligence of the AI. I now formulate similar something or concept I've asked AI before. AI now reminded me that I've asked it this type of question before, but nevertheless, I say give me more comprehensive information. The AI did it. For you to know that you can recall and use past experiences to prepare a solution. AI is evidently going to impact each and every one of us in some ways, such as in agricultural science, education, business education, entrepreneurship education, music education, home economics education, fine and applied arts education, trade and industrial education. Examples of tasks performed by robotic machines, because I'm going to summarize the tasks being performed by these robotic machines in a nutshell. Robots can offload, that's offloading of cement, plastering of walls, fixing of tires, weeding of weeds, newscasting, barbing, bodyguard, receptionist function, and self-driving cars, among others. Now, you have to see the practical aspect of these things are tasks that AI performs. You have to see it. Some are videos. You can click on it. You can hear certain information on how they perform. We have robotic applications. A robot that with a robot weeding grasses. That's the picture here. Robot receptionist, followed by robot receptionist. We have a robot entrepreneur, robot teacher. Of course, when you look at this picture here, pictures the robot at my left hand side is busy teaching mathematics with certain drawings like cones, like triangles, like rectangles, like circle. Then the other one also is using application of physics. We have a robot that cook. We have two images here. At the first image by my left-hand side, a robot is doing some preparations. Now look at the mother of the robots. Both of them are preparing to cook. We have a robot that is performing woodwork tasks. Filing the wood, the plank, shining it, putting it in order. Probably the robot is about to construct an upholstery chair. Have robots offloading cement from the truck, as many bags as possible. A robot machine plastering wall. That's it. That's the picture. We have the robot machines smoothing the plastered wall. Also have robots fixing wall ties. We have a robotic machine performing electrical or electronic tasks with all the electrical appliances like wire or materials. A robot trying to barb hair is there in the diagram. I have a robot bodyguard. So today, you might decide not to have a dog in your house. You may have a robot that will be guiding you all about. The least but not the last, we have robot newscaster, a lady from Ukraine Foreign Affairs. It's a video. If you like, you watch some of them, the activities. We have a robot self-driving car. It's also a video. You can as well click and watch how it's being, the car is using, utilizing AI features or skills in moving about the environment. Conclusion. AI computer systems are able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual speech, visual perception, speech recognition. AI can recognize. That's why you say it recognizes images and the speech or voice. This is how AI takes part in decision making, translates between languages. Just like I said, languages between China and Nigeria, AI can do that easily. Difficulties generating AI, which has to do with referencing, the fabrication of information and the inconsistency in writing. Let me pause here. There was a time I was writing something on a particular concept, topic anyway. Then at a certain level, AI kept on dishing out information, but I was just busy brainstorming it. At a certain level, then I said, there's a particular question I want to ask you. Please, that question is very, very vital to me. He said I should ask. Then I said, I need references to guide me in writing this thing, so that it will not sound as a plagiarism. Do you know what AI said? It said that it did not generate information outside his environment or domain. That all the information provided there from the domain. So I said, but try. He said no. So for you to know that it is difficult in generating AI, which has to do with referencing. So one has to be very, very cautious and be careful to avoid plagiarism. Interesting news. Academics and practitioners agree that AI won't be taking over their jobs. Therefore, it is our responsibility to ensure skill relevancy. We need to put our learners back in the driving seat. Any new trend in this society, especially in the arena of academics, try to learn the skill because it will be useful in teaching and learning situations. Recommendations. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. If AI is going to change everything, it's going to be a partnership with humans and AI, not a competition. There is the need to have ethics built into the ideas of why a certain piece of technology is equipped with AI is being developed. To answer this question, or to buttress further, there is need for us to monitor and police the outcomes of this specific piece of technology in order to fully understand its behaviors and make sure that it's not violating any human moral compass. Final words. The question of whether a computer can think is no more interesting than the question of whether a submarine can swim. Edgar Dijkstra. I am actually quite optimistic. I think our time is becoming better. People are becoming more inclusive, and we have AI and digital tools that we can use to solve some of the biggest problems we have. Fairly, artificial intelligence will reach human levels by around 2029. Follow that out further to say 2045. We will have multiplied the intelligence, the human biology, machine intelligence of our civilization of billion fold. Ray Kurzweil. I visualize a time when we will be to robots what dogs are to humans. I am rooting for the machines. Cloud Shannon. Thanks for listening.